The town of Giyani lies in the extremely hot subtropical zone along the R81 to the Kruger National Park. The region is water scarce, receiving a maximum of 600 millimeters a year. Over the years, the Mopani district municipality failed to maintain the district's aging water supply system, with the result that it had collapsed completely. Economic activity in the region had become severely impacted. Some far-flung villages hadn't had water in 20 years. In 2014, a presidential emergency intervention, the Siyahlala project, was initiated to deal with the water issues. The local municipality's authority was revoked by Minister Mokonyane, and Lepelle became the implementation agent together with the EPC contractor consisting of 3 partners, LTE, South Zambezi and Khato Civils as the construction arm. Given the urgent nature of the project, emergency repairs to old infrastructure had to be done immediately to supply water to outlying villages. Designs also had to be completed quickly. It soon became clear that the project initiative was colossal. Water needed to be supplied to the town of Giyani as well as 55 surrounding villages. The existing wastewater treatment plant needed to be repaired. Raw sewage was flowing directly into the rivers. 345 kilometers of piping is now being laid in 9 separate pipelines. Pump stations are being constructed or repaired. Numerous booster pumps, valves and flow meters are being installed along the pipelines, and reservoirs are being built at the highest points in each village. In total, 154 boreholes need to be refurbished, re-equipped and re-electrified. The poor quality of groundwater in the Greater Giyani area has meant water purification package plants are needed at every borehole. 119 pump houses need to be either constructed or refurbished, and hundreds of kilometers of reticulated pipe have to be laid underground to get the existing infrastructure up and running. The work being done by Khato Civils is of the highest international engineering standards. PVC piping with a lifespan of over 50 years has been imported from Italy. On Pipeline A, work completed thus far has included 11.5 kilometers of bush clearing and over 11 kilometers of trenching. On Pipeline B, 18 kilometers of bush has been cleared. 15 kilometers of trenching has been completed and 5.5 kilometers of piping has been laid and backfilled. On Pipeline C, 11.5 kilometers of piping has already been laid. 25 kilometers of pipe has been laid on Pipeline D. 6.5 kilometers and 14 kilometers of pipeline have been laid on pipelines F1 and F2 respectively. Where necessary, repairs on existing pipes are being done at our Giyani fabrication workshop using steel to replace the old asbestos concrete pipes. Amongst the challenges faced have been the theft of transformers and electrical equipment. Some newly laid pipes have been deliberately broken to create watering points for cattle. Eskom-approved electrical systems need to be incorporated into the network. River and road crossings have had to be constructed without disrupting traffic flow. Fencing and tribal authority land traverses have had to be negotiated and implemented. More recently, rainfall has damaged the bedding prepared for pipes. Bush clearing has also taken a toll on vehicles, necessitating ongoing repairs. But despite these challenges, we are proud to say that construction is progressing at a pleasing rate. Since inception of the project, Khato Civils has trained and employed almost 500 people from the region. Our safety record has also been impeccable. The project completion date has now been set at June 2017. We are confident that when completed, the Siyahlala project will restore dignity to the Greater Giyani area and boost economic opportunities across the entire region.